This is the Grip 360. This is the start of something new from Davis Tool Systems, the Grip 360. We have a spindle with crenulations and a thick 10 millimeter round adapter. This utility handle is going to change everything. How is it so? Well, we're going to start with the scraper, and I'm going to show you how we've optimized everything. This scraper has 2 annular grooves and crenulations. It's also 3 millimeters thick. It will not bend. If you put it into the first annular groove, you pull the sleeve back, you make sure the sleeve stopper pin is in correct alignment, you insert it into that first pin, let go, and now we are in what's called free rotations. The handle turns and the scraper stays in the same plane. And the benefit of this would be as if you were scraping and turning your wrist so that you can attack different angles and experience more comfort because you're not getting calluses as much on your hands. If you need the blade to be in a fixed position, you just pull the sleeve back, insert it into the crenulations, and now it's just like any scraper that you've ever experienced. Now, how do we make this even more improved? Well, we put adhesive hook on it, on both sides. And let's just say we want 80 grit sandpaper with loop back sandpaper on it, right there. And on the other side, we want 120. Well, now you can see that I can sand right up to the edge, like that. Just scrape that away. And I'm not getting a whole bunch of dust everywhere because I'm only using the manual power of it. Okay. Now that was 80 grit, and here I am at 120. I'm just going lightly. I'm barely pressing, okay? I'm getting right up in there, okay? And I could do this side. Knock off the varnish, like that. As it gets, don't want it to clog up. You want to just continuously work on it. And you can see that I can switch and twist my hand to accommodate. And I'm not creating a huge dust field if this was in a stairwell and I had to do that. Now, if I want to get, for instance, up into that area right there, get rid of this. Let's just say that all I need to do is take the hook, do the edge like this, and now as I come down right here, I can go into fixed position, and now I can do that edge a lot better. And you can see that it goes right up to it. And if I really had to get into something like this, all I would need to do is choose what grit, and I could easily get in here even like this if I want. Getting into all of these areas. The hook and loop surfaces creates that opportunity. Now, let's just say you didn't mind the dust. How could we possibly improve this? We bring in the power. The same Davis connector is on this reciprocating Tango 360 power tool. It has a pivotal head. Press the button and you can lock it into different dispositions. And it has speed control. I'm going to start with one. It has a 2.5 amp hour 12 volt battery. And here, I'm going to insert it into free rotation. And this is still 120 grit. And this is just on one, okay? And now you can see how fast that goes. And if I want, I'll put it on 4. And you can see here that I can switch the motion as well. This is about comfort and control. 80 grit. There you have it. Flip it over. And now we're at 120. And that is just at 4. This is max. 3,000 strokes per minute. Probably not necessary for this application, but I will show it. And you can see just the dust flying here. Just like that. So, how did we improve tools? We've brought you the Utility Grip 360 handle from Davis Tool Systems. And this is the start of something new. Thank you.